Howdy YouTube. Hey, every once in a while you're driving around in your car and the little seatbelt button. This little doodad right there. It keeps the buckle from falling all the way down. It's nothing more than a little plastic rivet. But eventually, you use that sucker over and over again and eventually it pops off. And of course the first time mine popped off, I went to the auto parts store and got myself a replacement and snapped it all back together, and of course the replacement lasted, what, a week and a half, 2 weeks? I don't like to fix things more than once. I mean, if you're going to fix it so that you don't have to ever fix it again. So, and this was years ago, this was probably 5 to 7 years ago or so, I didn't want to mess with it again, so I went to Jo-Ann Fabrics and I got a couple of metal buttons. I tried to stay away from the pottiest pot metal I could to get some solid buttons, metal buttons, and with a little safety wire I attached 2 buttons on each side of the safety belt with safety wire, and it hasn't gone anywhere in 5 or 7 years. Now, since that time, I've added a lathe to the tool shop, so if I did it again, I'd actually get some machining aluminum. So, although the buttons that I have used haven't cracked, my fear is that the pot metal would, in cold weather or whatever, the seatbelt would clank and crack, but it hasn't. But if I was to do it again, I would cut the little tiny buttons off of just aluminum machining stock, put the holes, or drill the holes in them, and use those. But the buttons and safety wire are easily available to anyone with a little bit of time and attention practicing. If you've never used safety wire before and safety wire pliers, you can fix your seatbelt button and it will never ever fail you again. Till next time, bye.